Hi guys, welcome to 100 Days with C++. This is an immense and dynamic course designed to take you on an exciting journey through the world of C++ programming. Whether you are from a complete beginner or an experienced programmer looking to deepen your knowledge of C++, this course is for you. We have designed this course in such a way that it caters to your needs and help you master the powerful and versatile programming language. Now let us understand what is C++. It is a widely used and influential programming language that has played a significant role in development of modern software applications like operating systems, game engines, and more. With its combination of low-level memory control and high-level abstraction, C++ provides a unique and valuable toolset for developers. You do not have to worry about the hard words like abstraction and memory control. We will discuss in the course later on. Now let us come to the course. This is a 100-day adventure with C++. It is structured to power you with a solid foundation and gradually build your skills, ensuring that you become a proficient C++ programmer by the end of the course. Each day, you will dive into various topics and concepts, from the basics of variables and data types to advanced topics like object-oriented programming, memory management, and design patterns. The course highlights the foundation of C++, and we will start by introducing you to the fundamental concepts of C++, including variables, data types, operators, control flow structures, etc. You will begin with writing your first C++ programs and gain confidence in your coding abilities. Then we will move to object-oriented programming. C++ is renowned for its support of object-oriented programming concept. You will learn about to create classes, objects, and leverage the power of inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation to build robust and modular applications. Then we will be moving to advanced topics such like templates, smart pointers, and exception handling. These topics are essential as these topics help us to write efficient and error-resistant codes. After that, we will move to standard template libraries. The STL or standard template library, which is a powerful library that simplifies many common programming tasks. You will explore containers, algorithms, and iterations provided by the STL, making your code more efficient and concise. Then we will move to different topics like concurrency and multi-threading. At the end, we will come to the real-world projects. Through the courses, we will work on practical projects ranging from simple console application to more complex challenges. These projects will reinforce your understanding and allow you to apply your knowledge in real world scenarios. Okay, now moving to basics of C++ programming. Basics of C++ programming is a fundamental topic that serves as the cornerstone for anyone looking to start their journey in C++ programming. In this expansion, we will explore key concepts and elements that constitute the foundation of C++ programming. C++ as a programming language is a versatile and widely used programming language known for its efficiency, power, and flexibility. It's often used for system-level programming, game development, scientific computing, and more. Now, another feature of C++ that C++ is a compiled language, which means that a source code is translated into machine code by a compiler before it can be executed. These compilation steps catch errors before running the program. Now let us try to understand what are functions, what are data types, variables, input-output operations, control flow statements, etc. The structure of a C++ program is designed in a way that it helps us to logically understand how the code is being executed. Variables and data types are one of the data structures that are the fundamental building block in a code in C++. Not just C++, but in different languages, variables and data types are the keys to access the language. Input and output operations are the set of commands that are set in order to provide input and output operations performed according to the instructions provided through the code. Control flow statements helps us to give instruction through our codes to the program in order to get the flow of the statement or the instruction in the way we want, like if, else, etc. I am repeating it again, we do not have to worry about that. Later on, we will be discussing about it in a very brief and elaborated way, with the help of lots and lot of programs that will help us to cater the difficulties and challenges that are faced in different topics. This is just an introduction and it should be taken as just an introduction. So now let us move to outline. C++ is a versatile and powerful programming language. It is basically known for its efficiency and flexibility. It was developed as an extension of the C programming language and was evolved to support a wide range of applications from system level programming to game development, scientific computing, and more purposes. In this introductory session, you will gain an understanding of what C++ is, its historical significance, and its role in modern software development. Let us start from setting up development environment. Before you can start programming in C++, you need to set up a development environment. This involves installing a C++ compiler such as GCC or GNU compiler collection or Microsoft Visual C++ and a code editor or integrated development environment IDE like Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio. Configuring your environment correctly ensures that you can write, compile and run C++ codes efficiently. Now let us try to understand basics of C++ programming. The basics of C++ programming lay the foundation of your coding journey. This section covers essential topics such as data types, which are int, float, character, etc. Variables, operators, input and output, control structures, and functions. You will learn how to declare variables, perform calculations, receive user input, and control the flow of your program based on conditions. Moving to object-oriented programming in C++. It is renowned for its support of object-oriented programming, as I told earlier. This section delves into the principles of OOPS, introducing concepts like classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. You will learn how to design and create reusable and modular codes by modeling real-world entities as objects and organizing them into classes. Moving to advanced C++ concepts. As your C++ skills progress, you will explore more advanced topics that are critical for writing efficient and robust applications These topics include templates, generic programming, smart pointers for memory management, and exception handling for error control. Additionally, you will gain insights into standard template libraries, STL, a powerful collection of pre-built containers and algorithms that simplify complex programming tasks. Practicing C++ program is essential to mastering C++. In this section, you will apply your knowledge by working on hands-on projects, coding exercises, and